Daisy Powerline 901, and gonna see if it'll go through this thin piece of wood in this can. And got it angled down so it won't ricochet right back into my face. And I'm gonna wear safety glasses. And I don't have pellet ready, so I'll try to be quick. Just don't know how long it's gonna keep recording. It looks like it went all the way through. I can get it to focus. That black spot is the hole. I was shooting at a downward angle and it went right out the back there and right through the paper there. Much more powerful than my CO2 pistol. And I'm gonna see if it'll go through this steel can, which the CO2 pistol is not able to penetrate. This should go through it. We'll find out. I'm using Daisy pointed pellets. Don't know what the weight are. It's just something I happen to have. I don't have a lot of different pellets. I'm pretty sure I'll go through it, but we'll find out. Went through it. Hit here. There's the entry hole. There's the exit hole. Still had plenty of power left.